Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to unbox this Maruti Suzuki Brezza 1:64 by Centy Toys. So have a look. This is the packaging. It's like a regular Hot Wheel packaging. It is available in 4 color. You can see this is November manufacture 2022. Price is 210. Packaging is good. Okay, let's uncard. It has very nice detailed alloy wheels. You can see the disc brake as well, rubber tires. Back is also good. Light is painted, not that regular inserted one, but it is okay. It's dual tone. Roof is of black color. Front is also good, not like that inserted light, but it is like a painted light. It's okay for 200 bucks. Paint quality is good. It has pullback action. See the base. Base is a plastic. Body is of metal. Overall good product for the price. Interior also good, you can see. Rear wiper is also there. Shark fin antenna. Okay. Thanks for watching my channel. Please subscribe, like and share. Thanks.